Hi. Would you like to talk about the future with us?
It would be great to live in a society where infrastructure can be reused.
We can become more energy efficient by using innovative processing technology modeled on living organisms.
Will your technology support doctors as well?
How about having AI assist with their diagnoses?
What about choosing the best treatment for each patient?
Sure. Let's provide regenerative medicine and individualized treatment for everyone.
A future that we can manufacture in places people have never been.
How about a future where we could meet various needs with unconventional manufacturing in space?
The longer we stay healthy, the more we can do.
Absolutely. Maybe we can learn seamlessly in virtual spaces. Let's explore visual expression together. For 2030, we continue to take on more challenges to be a partner in solving issues along with our customers.